Once upon a time, technology happened and made life a whole lot easier. For example, humans had ease of access to information. Any man in the most rural region can hit the web and get information that is currently happening. We also had better communication means between two people who are far away. But as we all know, the insatiable thirst of man to improve in all things, humans are the most intelligent species created by God. So, man wanted to create a machine with the ability to think and act like a human. Then artificial intelligence happened. And now, everywhere you go, you get to always hear the term thrown around very frequently. Just as we have humans that can arrange the sitting room and perform surgeries, so do we have robots doing the same exact thing. They are named artificial intelligence because of its ability to think and act like a human. Machines that are incorporated with human-like intelligence to perform tasks just as we do. Oops! Before I forget, if you're new to this channel, you know the regular drift, right? You better smash the like button or I send this to your home. For existing subscribers, kindly like and drop a comment on a tech topic you wish to be simplified. By the end of this video, you should have been able to demystify basics of AI as it's called to a non-technical person. Well, back to our discussion. In all simplicity, the extreme goal of AI research is to create computer programs that can learn, solve problems, and think logically. Adapt, reason, and provide solutions. Let me break this down with this illustration. Imagine a built machine, robotics dog used in a laboratory and taken to your home for the first time. Your nephew and probably your niece interact with the dog. Romeo, Romeo! Well, in spite of how the environmental condition may be different from the lab for the robot, the dog has to perform, learn the new environment, and do as it was programmed to do. This ability to react to a new situation is called generalized learning. Now your nephew decides to take the robot and leaves it to cross the road. The robot has to decide on how and when to cross the road. This depicts the AI reasoning ability. Now, also imagine this robot is faced with the challenge of crossing a stream, of which, well, we know it can't. However, there is a wooden little bridge across the stream. The ability of the robot to optimize the given input in the situation is called problem solving. Now we hear adapt, reason, and provide solutions. That's why you hear of AIs defeating expert humans in a chess game. As a matter of fact, Ray Kurzweil, a well-known futuristic, predicted that in the year 2045 we will have robots as smart as humans. Well, wait till then. Now, shall we begin the broad categories of artificial intelligence?
Shall I begin?
We have the weak AI and strong AI. A popular example of a weak AI is Siri and Alexa, or even advanced chess programs are considered weak AI. This is because voice-activated assistances and chess programs often have a programmed response. They are sensing for things similar to what they know. and classifying them accordingly. Even if it's present, a kind of human-like experience, they're just all simulations. To make it simpler, you cannot ask Alexa to tell you the amount of floors of building you're currently in. It cannot respond to anything you've said because it's not programmed to. While for the strong AI, well, some scientists say we have not gotten to that stage yet. The strong AI acts more like a brain with the capability to function and mimic the human brain. Looks like neurals, yeah, for me. It stipulates that a computer can be programmed to actually be a human mind, to be intelligent in every sense of the word, to have perception, beliefs, and have other cognitive states that are normally only ascribed to humans. You find examples in fiction movies like iRobot and The Terminator.
I'll be back.
As of now, it's only theoretical at this point, though, and if this is achieved, machines will have consciousness and decision-making skills, full human cognitive abilities. Application of AI are used in online customer support, virtual agent, banking fraud detection, and so on. An example of a man involved in AI is Elon Musk. According to CNBC.com, he mentioned that his company will develop a humanoid robot prototype called Tesla Bot by 2022. Well, 2020 is around the corner. AI is actually a very vast topic, but I would like to hold here. So guys, that'll be all for today. I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. Do have a great one. Cheers!